Hello students, welcome to the DG class of Christ Church Convent School, Gadhavara. I am Purnima Shukla and this is your 12th class, chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Students, last time we study about the structure of RNA or structure of DNA, their chemical composition, okay, how the DNA is formed. That is composed of nitrogenous bases, purine and pyrimidine, phosphate group, sugar, that is ribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar, okay. But now there is a model of DNA, that is the structure double helix model of DNA, and it was given by Watson and Crick at that is in 1853, okay. But how it was studied? This was studied by X-ray diffraction technique, and in this model, this is a ladder-like structure. You can see it. There are two polynucleotide chains of DNA molecule, and they are helical coil turn with each other helically, and that is the diameter of this helix is 20 angstrom. That is 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So that is 20 angstrom thick diameter, and there are the steps are seen. These steps are what? These are the nitrogenous bases which are joined with the other nitrogenous base, that is like you can see here A is bonded with T. A means adenine, T means thymine. In the last class I will discuss about it. मैंने आपको बताया था इसके बारे में. So adenine is bonded with thymine with the double bond, that is a hydrogen bond, okay. And in this chain there is the chain of sugar phosphate, okay, and they are joined with the purines and pyrimidines. One purine is attaches with the pyrimidine, okay. And the bond, these bonds, they are the distance between the two steps is 3.4 angstrom, okay. One turn of the helix is 34 angstrom long. एक जो टर्न होता है हेलिक्स का वो 34 angstrom long होता है. Distance between two steps present, that is 3.4 angstrom, and these polynucleotide molecules are antiparallel. One is 3' to 5' and other is 5' to 3', okay. And there, this is the diagram of what? Double helical structure, double helix model of DNA, okay. And this is accepted by all over the world, and due to this reason Watson and Crick, they got the Nobel Prize in 1962, okay. So you know about it, that is the bond between the cytosine and guanine is triple bond of hydrogen, and the double bond is between thymine and adenine. Now types of DNA. This is what? This is right-handed turn, right-handed helical structure which is found in all the living beings, okay. But there are some other types of DNA also, that are aDNA, cDNA, zDNA, okay. So what is aDNA? That is right-handed helix, and it contains 11 base pairs in one turn, okay. In this structure you see that there in one turn of the helix there are 10 base pairs present. 10 base pairs are present. but in aDNA it contains 11 base pairs. Then cDNA it is right-handed helix and its diameter is 19 angstrom, and there the base pairs present, that is 9.33 base pair in each turn. zDNA, that is left-handed helical structure, and it contains that is 12 base pairs, and its diameter is 69 angstrom. But it was not found in naturally, it was found in a lab. We can prepare it in a lab. Okay, so these are what? These are the types of DNA. Now you know about the DNA structure. Are you understand it? That is the double helical structure. 3.4 angstrom is the distance between two nucleotides steps, and the length of the one turn is 34 angstrom, and there in each turn 10 base pairs are present. In the chain of the polynucleotide, there sugar phosphate backbone is found, and the joining is through the nitrogenous bases. Adenine is joined with the thymine, cytosine is joined with the guanine, one purine is attached with the one pyrimidine, and they are attached with each other with the help of hydrogen bond. So A and T, इनके बीच में जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होता है, that is double bond, and in cytosine and guanosine there the hydrogen is triple bond. Okay, so यहाँ triple bond present है, and the diameter is 20 angstrom. So this is about the structure of DNA, double helical structure of DNA. Now you understand that in zDNA, why this is called as zDNA? Because they are the sugar and phosphate bond, they are zigzagly present, ठीक है, in a zigzag manner. So therefore it is called as zDNA, and it was discovered in vitro condition. Okay, now this DNA double helical structure, how it was packed, कैसे इसकी पैकेजिंग होती है, this we can see in the next video.